Do you want to speak English fluently but feel nervous when you try to speak? You understand English, you know some words, but when it's time to talk, your mind goes blank. This happens with many people. The good news is you can improve your English speaking in just 10 days if you follow the right daily habits. The first step is to start thinking in English. Stop translating every sentence from your mother tongue. When you wake up, think, I am waking up. When you walk outside, think, I'm going to college or I am going to work. Slow thinking is fine. Wrong English is fine. Thinking in English is the foundation of fluency. The next habit is speaking alone every day. Don't wait for a partner. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day, your plans, or your dreams for at least 10 minutes. This practice builds confidence and removes fear. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. Another powerful hack is learning ready-made sentences instead of single words. For example, don't just learn the word happy, learn a full sentence like, I am really happy today. These sentences help you speak faster and more naturally in real conversations. Listening and repeating is also very important. Watch a short English video and listen to one line carefully. Pause the video and repeat the line in the same tone and speed. This technique improves pronunciation and fluency without memorizing grammar rules. Use English in your daily life as much as possible. Change your mobile language to English. Read simple English captions, messages, or quotes every day. Even if you understand only some part of it, continue. Your brain will slowly adapt to the language. Many learners stop speaking because they are afraid of making mistakes. Remember, even fluent speakers make mistakes. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Speak freely and correct yourself later. This mindset alone can change your English speaking journey. Learn 5 new English words every day and use each word in a sentence. Don't try to learn too many words at once. Small daily progress creates big results. Using words and sentences helps you remember them for a long time. On the 10th day, challenge yourself to speak English continuously for 5 minutes without stopping. Don't think about mistakes, just speak. This one exercise can boost your confidence like nothing else. English fluency does not come from motivation alone. It comes from daily action. Follow these easy daily hacks honestly for 10 days, and you will see a clear improvement in your English speaking skills.